Russia launched one of its largest aerial assaults on Kyiv since the beginning of the war, killing at least 4 people and causing widespread destruction across the Ukrainian capital, authorities said on Sunday. The massive overnight attack reportedly included the use of Moscow's nuclear-capable Oreshnik hypersonic missile. According to the Ukrainian Air Force, Russia fired around 600 drones and 90 missiles during the barrage. Air defense systems managed to intercept 549 drones and 55 missiles, but several projectiles still struck key areas in Kyiv, triggering fires and damaging civilian infrastructure. Residents in the capital rushed to underground metro stations for shelter as multiple explosions echoed through the city during the early hours. By morning, rescue teams were seen clearing debris and extinguishing fires at heavily damaged sites, including residential buildings, shopping centers, museums, schools, theaters, and universities. The assault came shortly after Russian President Vladimir Putin warned of retaliation over a Ukrainian drone strike in Russian-occupied eastern Ukraine. Moscow claimed the attack on Starobilsk hit a vocational school dormitory and killed 21 people, most of them young female students. European leaders strongly condemned the strikes. European Commission President Ursula von der Leyen, in a post on X, called the attacks terror against civilians. While French President Emmanuel Macron and German Chancellor Friedrich Merz described the missile use as a dangerous escalation in the ongoing conflict.